Okay, so for this one, they want us to find AC, and so what I get in the habit of trying to do is trying to figure out what pieces I have and what ones I still need. So AC, I need this, and then across from that is B. Well, I don't have B, so it's going to be very hard for me to create a proportion here. What I do have is I have A all figured out, so I know I'm going to do A. So it'll be the sine of 32 over 21 is equal to the sine of whatever B is over AC, which is just the length. So one thing that's nice about this is they gave us two angles. Well, that means that we can find the third, because whatever it is, 32 plus 82 plus the measure of angle B has to be equal to 180 degrees. So when I go ahead and I add those, I get 114. So the measure of angle B has to be equal to 66 degrees. So I can go ahead and I can replace that over here, and I'm going to make that the sine of 66. So once again, you can go ahead and cross multiply, and AC times the sine of 32 is equal to 21 times the sine of 66. So I just divide by the sine of 32, and I'm left with AC is equal to whatever this is. So I go on my calculator and I just type it in. 21 times the sine of 66, close those parentheses, divided by the sine of 32, close the parentheses, and you get 36.2. And that is length, not a degree, a measure. So I can go ahead and write that in, 36.2. And I always just like to double check, 66, that's bigger than 32, so it should be all good and it checks out.